Hello friends, today we will discuss how to create linear vectors in Matlab. So basically matrix are the basic data type of Matlab. Matlab stands for matrix laboratory. So matrix is the basic data type. So today we'll discuss about how to create this one-dimensional vectors. Basically it can be a one-dimensional array, one-dimensional row or a one-dimensional column matrix, one column matrix or one row matrix. So basically it is very much useful to create a one-dimensional this matrix so as to run for loop or do some. It will be very useful, so we'll come to that in later videos, but for the timing let us see how to create them. So suppose we want to create a series from 0 to 100, 0 to 10 for instance. So we can be like this. Colon is a symbol. It will start from 0 and it will increase by 1 and reach up to 10. But then if we don't want to touch each number, then what we can do is we can say I is equal to 0 to at an interval of 2. So this interval will come at the middle, so it will be like this. Then it will go to linear numbers only. Then if we want to go only for go for an interval of 3, then it will be like this. So we see that even though the end number was 10, but it has not touched 10 because this is not falling on the series, and it is taken 10 is taken as the highest number to which this series can continue. So we have to be very much careful while using this type of syntax, because the end limit should be an admissible number. Suppose we take 10, the reverse one. I'll take I is equal to 10, 10 to sorry uh, 10 to minus 2, then like again I'll put 20. So see, 10 to, if I put this, it will be an error because it cannot reduce and go up to 20. But at the same time, if I put suppose 2, it will work because it can reduce down. So that is what we have to be little more little conscious regarding this values, so that it should be admissible. That is the point which should be taken into mind. The next method, I'll be telling about 3 methods, out of which the first method has been trolled. This is semicolon, and this colon method. The second method is an not user, it's an inbuilt function, that is a linspace. Linspace stands for linearly spaced. Linspace, if I put linearly spaced, then I have to put the end limits from 0 to say 11, 0 to, I'll put 0 to 10, so that it will come. Then I have to put uh, 11 numbers, then only it will count all the numbers. Otherwise it will not count all the numbers, because 0 to 10 there are 11 entities. So all, if I want to enter all, then I have to include. But if I put suppose 0 to 10, if I want 10 numbers to be counted, then it will be in decimals, because the last number represents the total number of entities which this linspace array will contain. So that linspace is a function, inbuilt function, which will return an array actually. So similarly, if I want to have lesser number of, say like 5, so it will be like this: 0, 2.5, 5 like this. So this is one method which is linearly spaced. The other method is logarithmic space, log space. So here if I write 0, and then if I write say 5, then it will be like 10 to the power 5, 10 to the power 0 to 10 to the power 5, and give only say 5 numbers. Then what it will give? 0. Okay, everybody is multiplied with 10 to the power 5. So basically this is 0, this is 20, likewise this is 320, and similarly, so this is 10 to the power, I mean 0 to 10 to the power 5, there are 5 numbers, so that way it will get logarithmic spacing. It will create a logarithmic spacing. It will create an array which will have a logarithmic spacing between them. So this is how the linear and I mean one dimensional arrays are created in Matlab. Thank you for watching the video.